Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam to all. This is Aishwarya from AI and DS from Johnson's Institute of Technology. Today, my topic is about reduction of fuel consumption and exhaust pollutant. Let us discuss about data consistency. Number of vehicles, miles driven, and fuel consumption data given in six categories. They are passenger cars, buses, motorcycles, four-tire vehicles, single unit trucks, combination trucks. Emissions data given in four categories. They are light duty gas vehicles and motorcycles, light duty gas trucks, heavy duty gas vehicles, and also diesels. This is about the reduction of fuel. Here, this graph indicates about the comparison between fuel consumption and miles driven trends. Let us discuss about the fuel consumption. Fuel consumption trends are the result of a competition between vehicle use and fuel economy. It increases in the national vehicle fleet fuel economy. It also creates short reductions in fuel consumption, but the near continuous increase in miles driven causes the fuel consumption. Now let us discuss about the examples of exhaust pollutants. First, hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon emissions result when fuel molecules in the engine do not burn or burn only partially. It reacts in the presence of nitrogen oxides and sunlight to form ground level ozone with the potential to cause cancer. Next, nitrogen oxides. Under the high pressure and temperature conditions in an engine, nitrogen and oxygen atoms in the air react to form various nitrogen oxides. Nitrogen oxides, like hydrocarbons, are precursors to the formation of ozone. They also contribute to the formation of acid rain. Next, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a product of incomplete combustion and occurs when carbon in the fuel is partially oxidized rather than fully oxidized to carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide reduces the flow of oxygen in the bloodstream and is particularly dangerous to persons with heart disease. Next, let us talk about the vehicular pollution problems occurring in India. High vehicle density in Indian urban centers, older vehicles predominate in vehicle vintage, inadequate inspection and maintenance facilities, adulteration of fuel and fuel products, improper traffic management system and road conditions, high population exodus to the urban centers. Let us discuss about the another example of exhaust pollutants, that is cleaner fuels. The fuels used these days in cars has many compounds which can cause impurities. You will have to keep your car clean and try to remove all the sulfur from the fuel. You must use fuels like ethanol, methanol, and hydrogen because all these fuels have a clean burning. These fuels have low carbon content as compared to gasoline and diesel. This is about the reduction of fuel consumption and exhaust pollutant. Thank you.